Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the top assets that you should consider buying in 2025. We're talking everything from stocks to real estate, from the familiar to assets you may not have even considered. My goal is to give you the information you need to make smart, informed investment decisions for your future. Remember though, this isn't about getting rich quick. There's no magic bullet in investing, and anyone who tells you otherwise is probably trying to sell you something. Building long-term wealth takes time, patience, and a solid understanding of the assets you're putting your money into. So, whether you're just starting out on your investment journey, or you're a seasoned pro looking for new opportunities, stick around. We're going to break down everything step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer picture of where to potentially put your money to work in 2025. Let's get started. First up, we're diving into equities, specifically stocks. Now, the stock market can feel like this big, mysterious thing, but it doesn't have to be intimidating. Think of it as a marketplace where companies put pieces of themselves up for sale, allowing you to become a part owner. And when those companies do well, guess what? You do well too. Over the last decade, we've seen tech companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia absolutely explode in value. These growth stocks, as they're called, thrive in strong economic conditions. It's like they're on a rocket ship, and everyone wants a ticket for the ride. But, and this is a big but, remember that what goes up can also come down. That's why diversification is key. Don't just put all your eggs in the growth stock basket, consider value stocks too. These companies might not be as flashy or trendy, but they're often more stable, especially during market downturns. Think of them as the reliable workhorse of your portfolio. A balanced approach, my friends, that's how you weather those market storms. Next up, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies, specifically Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, crypto has been on a wild ride over the past few years, and it's definitely not for the faint of heart. It's volatile, it's unpredictable, it's like the roller coaster of the investment world. But here's the thing, despite the risk, crypto has also shown incredible potential for growth. Bitcoin, the OG cryptocurrency, has seen its value skyrocket, and Ethereum, with its shift to proof of stake, has become a major player in the decentralized finance space. However, and this is crucial, only invest what you can afford to lose. Treat crypto like an experiment, a small part of your portfolio that you're willing to let ride the waves of volatility. Don't go all in, and never, ever invest based on emotion or hype. Do your research, understand the technology, and approach crypto with a healthy dose of caution. Let's talk about real estate. Now, real estate has long been considered a solid investment, a way to build wealth over the long term. And for good reason, people always need a place to live, right? But just like any investment, it's not a guaranteed home run. Residential real estate, whether it's a single-family home or a multi-unit property, can provide rental income and appreciate in value over time, especially in high-demand areas. But remember, location is key. Don't just buy anywhere, do your homework and find those up-and-coming neighborhoods with strong rental demand. Now, if you don't want to be a landlord, that's okay. REITs, or real estate investment trusts, offer a hands-off way to invest in real estate. They're like mutual funds for properties, allowing you to diversify your portfolio without the hassle of actually owning physical real estate. Let's move on to precious metals, specifically gold and silver. For centuries, gold has been seen as a safe haven asset, a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. It's like the ultimate insurance policy for your portfolio. When the market is freaking out, gold tends to hold its value or even go up. Think of it as a store of value, something tangible you can hold on to when the world feels uncertain. Silver, while more volatile than gold, often follows a similar pattern. Now, you can buy physical gold and silver, but honestly, that can be a pain. Who wants to store all those bars and coins? Instead, consider investing in gold and silver ETFs. They're simple, they're liquid, and they give you exposure to precious metals without the hassle. Finally, let's talk about bonds. Now, bonds might not be as exciting as stocks or crypto, but they play a crucial role in a well-diversified portfolio. Think of them as the steady Eddie, the reliable one that helps balance out the riskier investments. U.S. Treasury bonds are considered one of the safest investments in the world. They're backed by the full faith and credit of the U.S. government, so while the returns might not be huge, you can sleep well at night knowing your money is relatively safe. Now, if you're looking for a little more yield, Corporate bonds or municipal bonds can offer higher interest rates. But remember, with higher potential returns comes higher risk. Always do your homework, understand the creditworthiness of the issuer, and diversify your bond holdings just like you would with stocks. So there you have it, a breakdown of the top assets to consider buying in 2025. Now remember, this isn't personalized financial advice. What's right for one person might not be right for another. The key takeaway here is to diversify, diversify, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes like we talked about today to manage your risk and potentially maximize your returns over time. And as always, do your own research, understand what you're investing in, and if you're ever unsure, don't hesitate to reach out to a financial advisor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more investment tips.